Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to paint a beautiful landscape. So this is a beginner friendly tutorial. So even if you never painted before, you can follow along. So first of all, start by sketching out your landscape. Once you are done with your sketch, start filling the background with colors. I recommend using light colors in the background, such as lemon yellow, light green and sky blue. So when the background color is completed, it's time for the foreground. So for the foreground we use the darker color and detail. For example, in my case I am doing the trees. You can also add trees, rocks, flowers as you want. Once you finished painting the foreground, add some finishing touches such as highlights and shadows. I have 3 secret tips for you guys that will definitely help you to improve your painting skills. First one, don't be afraid to experiment with different colors and techniques. Second one, don't be afraid to make mistakes, you can always paint over it. And the final one, take your time and enjoy the process. Painting is a great way to relax and express yourself. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. for more painting tutorials and other art content.